Just like that, I'm back. Welcome back to the Ghost Love Music and Cooking.com. I'm Lone the Ghost. This is the only place that you can get a little bit of this and a little bit of that, all-purpose seasoning. You gotta love it. So come on and go with me, everybody. Don't mess your thing when I cook. I just sprinkle a little bit of this and a little bit of that until I hear my mama whisper, that's enough. Today I'm smoking everything. I mean everything. I've got ribs, sausages, corn on the cob. Oh God, okra. I've got everything. You want to see it, boys and girls? Check it out. Look. Is everything beautiful or what? There go my mushrooms. I got mushrooms. I got my ribs and my sausages. Corn on the cob. Oh my goodness. Here's my okra. There you go. And my turnips. I've got rosemary in there. I've got garlic. I've got everything that you can think of. And I'm going to take them to that smoker. But let me show you how to put this together. It won't take long. Are you with me or you want to learn something? I'm going to show you how to smoke this stuff with all the love the Ghost gives you. I got to make my butter. I got about 3 sticks of butter in there. I got some rosemary in there, onions. So I got to mix it together. Woo! I've got some Lipton onion soup that I'm going to pour in there. And I'm going to heat this up. And it's going to be my concoction for a hell of a meal. Yeah. I've got some cooking wine salt to put in there. You see? Lovely. There you go. Got some minced garlic I want to put in here. Put as much as you'd like, boys and girls. Some, black pepper. I've got some smoked paprika. Put that in there. And you know what? You know I gotta have. You just gotta have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I've got a little left in this jar, but that's the big brother. But the little brother's gonna come through. Let me empty the rest of this in here. Because I don't waste anything. Can you feel me, boys and girls? Yes. Look. That little bit of this got to go in there. Get all them juices flowing in there. I think I better put a little bit of this beef broth in there. That's what I'm trying to say. Can you see it? Can you see it, boys and girls? And just like that butter is melted. All those ingredients that I put in there, it's gonna go on all of this food. Check it out, boys and girls. These are my ribs. So let me pour some of this on here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, goodness. And then it's all going into the smoker. Now, these are my turnips. Gotta pour that on there. Look at that, boys and girls. Look at that. Oh my God. And when they smoke, oh, it's gonna be crazy. Here's my okra. Check it out. Look at that. All them juices gonna run up in there. It's gonna be hell to pay. Boys and girls. Now, here's my mushrooms. There we go. Mushrooms. Oh, these mushrooms gonna soak up all that smoke. It's gonna be unbelievable, girl. I guess you said, wow, this man is unbelievable. Yes, I am. Corn on the cob, it's gonna get smoked. Look at that. I love that music, baby. Wow. Let's put that on there. Oh. And I'm gonna close them chunks up on there. And then it's gonna hold that flavor in there, all that moisture. Look at that boy, girl, look. Oh my goodness. Hey, how's everybody's Sunday? Mine is all right. 'Cause I woke up this morning, yeah. Put it in there. And then I'm gonna take it out there and smoke it until it's get ready. So, I'm going to show you when I put it in it. You want to come and go with me, boys and girls? Okay, here's the mushrooms and the bacon. The sausages. Oh, my goodness. Okay, check it out. These are the okra. You see it? These are the ribs. See that bacon on top of that rosemary? My goodness. And these are the turnips. The turnips. Oh, you see that? Oh my goodness. Everything is just coming out real lovely. And this okra, let me show you this okra again. Look at it. Take a bite, boys and girls. You don't have to wait till dinner time. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Okay, let me let it cook for till it get done, and I'll see you in the kitchen. All that smoked food I showed you earlier is smoking ready to eat. I mean, it's smoking. Check it out, boys and girls. The smoked ribs. The smoked sausages. The smoked mushrooms. Oh my God. The smoked turnips. The smoked corn on the cob. The smoked okra. Oh my goodness. And just to think about it, none of this could have happened if it wasn't for a little bit of this and a little bit of that. All-purpose seasoning. You gotta get you some. And I'm telling you now, he's got a little brother too. Just a little bit this, a little bit of that. Oh, he's just his baby brother. But let me shove some down your throat, boys and girls. Are you ready, boys and girls? Well, come on. Let me give you a little bit of this turnip. Oh, take it, boys and girls. Take it. Oh, take it. You want some ribs, boys and girls? Oh, here's some ribs. Oh, God. You want some corn on the cob, boys and girls? Here. Do you want some smoked okra, too? Oh, my goodness. What about the smoked sausage? You weren't going to leave that out, are you? There's a turn me on. Get it on, get it on, get it on. Get it on, girl. Now, it's that time for me to taste it. Oh, goodness. What can I say? Crew.